Hello everyone. Here are simple steps to remove $sign in Excel. First, we will need to select the cells with $sign and then right click, then click on Format Cells. Here in this dialog box, you'll notice that the category under number that is selected is currency, which means the cells are formatted under currency category. And under this sample, you'll notice this $sign in front of the number as well. Now, in order to remove the $sign, we'll need to click on category number. And after we clicked into the category, you'll notice that the $sign has been removed. And now I'll go ahead and click on OK. And here, all of the $signs are removed as well. There is another way to remove the $sign as well. For that, I'll change this format to currency back again. The other way to remove the $sign is by selecting the cells with $sign again, and then under this Home tab, here is the drop down where you can change the format of the cells. And if you notice under this number, you'll see that the $sign is not placed in front of the numbers, and under the currency there is a $sign in front of the numbers. So we'll go ahead and click on number, and then you'll notice that the $signs are removed from the cells again. Hope this video helps you. If this video helps you, please consider giving it a thumbs up. And if you are new to my channel, please consider subscribing to my channel as well. Thank you. Bye-bye.